When I say this might be the best banana bread I've ever made, I'm not kidding. This is how you make Broma Bakery's Tahini banana bread. For all my sesame lovers out there, this one's for you. You'll start by mashing up 3 ripe bananas, adding in half a cup of melted butter, some white sugar, and some brown sugar, and mashing it all together. Once you've got that all mixed together, you go ahead and add the best part, half a cup of tahini. Crack in 2 eggs at room temperature and then mix everything together. Now we'll move on to our dry ingredients in a separate bowl where we're going to add flour, some baking soda, and salt. I always like adding a little bit of extra baking soda just because I want my banana bread to rise really well. Now we'll combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients and fold that together. Be careful not to overmix it. When everything's combined, you'll have this thick, kind of pasty-like batter. Now in a loaf pan greased and lined with parchment paper, go ahead and fill up your batter. My secret trick to making every loaf of banana bread absolutely delicious is sprinkling on some granulated white sugar on top. For this loaf, I also added in some sesame seeds to go with the tahini theme. You'll bake it off at 350 for about an hour. I did a little bit extra just to give it that nice crust. And there you have it, a nutty, delicious banana bread by Broma Bakery.